Hello and welcome to the second Model Rail video, which both complements and enhances our monthly Model Rail magazine. Your appreciative letters following our first video told us very clearly that you wanted more, so we set to work straight away. We've got another fantastic selection of models and some truly great layouts, both indoors and out, together with some expertly demonstrated modelling technique to really show you how. There's a close look at Bara Junction in Oage, a loft layout built by Keith Jaggers in Stockport, showing this rural outpost in Great Western days. We visit the Suffolk garden of Barry Walls to enjoy the East Coast Main Line in Oage, including a cast concrete model of Welling Viaduct.